It's probably one of the most amazing things that I've been able to be part of. No words to explain how wonderful this is.
We are here in Citrus County for the District's 2024 Savor Waters Week tour at Three Sisters Springs. I am Dr. Madison Trowbridge. I'm the spring scientist at the district.
This helps to treat stormwater before it enters the bay system, which is important in promoting water quality.
We have 30 people that volunteered to learn about what the district is working on or has completed within the Three Sisters Springs area. This includes the shoreline stabilization projects, a wetland treatment project, data collection, and various other efforts.
My name is Bruce Benedict, originally from New York, but now we live in Citrus Hills in Terra Vista, and retired down to an amazing place. I think it's amazing. Robin is our tour leader. He's a geologist, so he understands everything about this area, and he's explaining to us how they measure the quality of the water, how manatees come in and out of the spring area that we're in now.
We are at Three Sisters Springs. This is a complex of 3 different spring vents.
Public engagement is important for folks to understand not only what the district is doing to help protect our springs, but what they can do as well.
It's worthwhile coming out learning about where you live and the problems and what they're doing to correct it. I am Cindy Anderson. I live in the town of Hernando. We moved down here almost 10 years ago from upstate New York. Did a lot of kayaking on the Hudson River, and just a different environment down here, totally different, and love learning about it. The clarity, just the clarity. Where I kayaked, you couldn't see deep at all. Here you can see the fish. You can see the grasses, you can see everything, the bottom, and it's so beautiful, so different than what I'm used to.
We had a wonderful time at Three Sisters Springs, another great year in the books. To learn more about what you can do while visiting a spring and at home to protect our springs, visit watermatters.org/springs.